This is Hiccup, a world shaped by blocks, built from imagination, and home to the clean and aesthetic builds anyone can make. Every structure, every detail is crafted by the community, designed, voted on, and brought to life by the hands of me. A world shaped not just by me, but by you. The only problem are the pests. You see, while other worlds have mobs or bees, we have dragons. Here, we take a spin on builds every now and then, incorporating Pirateria Dragon themes. This channel is ever growing, evolving with each new vote, each new idea. You choose the builds. Welcome to Hiccup, and let's build something legendary.